What is up, you guys? Today I am here. It's Nolan, Bobby, Teddy, whatever you want to call me, from Fortnite Fishing. We're just going to be filming, vlogging, and fishing at the pond. Yesterday, CJ and Brody each caught one bass, one female, one male. They're pretty well sized. Brody caught a pretty chunky one. I got the Dock Demons. And yeah, just going to see what we can do. Yeah, so CJ's house, we also got worms that we're going to be fishing with. So see what we can do, what we can catch and what we can't. See when I get to the pond. So we got the first fish of the day. So today it's just me, CJ, Logan, and just me, CJ, and Logan. Brody. Brody may be coming later. Yeah, he's at soccer. First fish of the day, little bluegill. Ow, that's fine. Well, yeah, not too bad. Yeah, so see what we can do. Got it on the tiny Dock Demon bobber worm, simple setup. Alright, let's release them. CJ just got the second fish of the day. Little shiner minnow.
Golden shiner. This is weird.
Got it in the eye, breathing a ton though.
Yeah, but that's awesome catch.
Yeah. Great bait fish. We're not going to use it for bait because we're obviously not going fishing for
Hooked him right through the eye.
Big fish right now.
Yeah, not right now though. Doesn't mean we won't.
Keep on catching it catching big, like the fish, like right here. Like right in this area. Nothing on this side of the pond or out there. Or like, it's just like this area. You can see a turtle going through there. So yeah, good catch. CJ?
Awesome.
Yep. Okay. We're almost done with this day of fishing. So yeah, maybe like a minute and a half. Don't know after the edits. Just got another shiner. Bigger one. Something's eating these fish in here. If you look at it right now.
I think that's a bass.
Oh,
there he goes.
Okay. Yeah, so another nice catch. Now I'm gonna say probably the last fish of the day.
We're gonna weigh this guy just to see how much these things weigh, real quick. So here we go.
That's all. Delete them. Guys, just caught another golden shiner. Pretty fish, but if you can see here, something's eating this in this pond. So it's got to be bigger, or just maybe not eating, but just like attacking it. So let's see. It'd be great if we could catch whatever that is. I'm thinking it's a bass. CJ's thinking it's a bass too. But yeah, another golden shiner. It's a bit bigger than the one CJ just caught, and it was actually the first cast after CJ caught that fish. So yeah, let's bring it back over here.
We're gonna quickly weigh this fish.
Oh yeah, we gotta weigh this.
Logan.
But guys, a little tip here is to never lip these things. They have a really
Soft,
like
soft
fragile
mouth.
jaw. So you're gonna try to get that. The gums are really small. I mean the gills, sorry. I think this might be too small to weigh. And okay. So,
No,
yeah,
we'll weigh it.
Let's just. No, we can't get it through these gills.
All right. So,
Alright, yeah. Nice catch. Yeah. So fish number 3 for the day. Fish number 2 for me. Yeah. Nice little release.
bye-bye.
Brody, first cast. Checking in. So Brody just checked in. CJ left. Caught a golden shiner. It's another one that's just like eating up here.
That's not easy.
Well,
No, but look at how big its belly is.
Yeah, the pretty big belly.
It might be ready.
We're not going to use it as
spawning.
bait. It's really good bait, though. Okay, so you want to just release him?
Yep. I just got to... How should I get out of the weeds? Oh, big turtle.
What is... Oh, yeah, it's a turtle. Okay, so Brody's going to release that.